It's super fluffy, soft, moisture and light, tender, airy sponge cake. Best old-fashioned sponge cake ever is one of my favorite cakes, and I'm super excited to make this. Ladies and gentlemen, here's my super soft, fluffy sponge cake recipe. Let's do this, everyone. To start, let's separate those 4 pieces of egg yolk to egg whites. Then add your sugar and use whisk to combine. Then a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Continue whisking, then after you get that smooth texture before you add in your milk. Any milk is good too, fresh milk, evaporated, heavy cream, full cream, it's all up to you. And then the last ingredients for wet mixture is your vanilla extract. Together. Now baking powder and all-purpose flour, sieve it all together on your wet mixture, then mix until it's well incorporated together. Then the egg whites with an electric mixer at a medium speed until foams form. Beat and add gradually the sugar to form a soft, stiff, thick meringue. Then transfer the half at least of the meringue to the egg yolk mixture. Gently mix by folding using spatula until it's smooth. And transfer the remaining meringue and then gently mix by folding using spatula again until the batter is smooth and slightly runny. Then when it's done, add warm water to the outer tray that holding for the baking sheet pan. Then bake it for at least 30 to 35 minutes over 150 degrees temperature oven. Unlike other cake, this sponge cake does not use any cream cheese and has less calorie count per servings than many other cakes, making it a perfect for breakfast or afternoon tea. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. This is Bold Cook TV again, signing off for now. Hope to see you again soon and saying bye bye.